Imagine walking through the rocky hills of Mexico, where the land is alive with unique creatures, and one lizard stands out, the Mexican alligator lizard. With its tough, armored appearance and impressive agility, it almost looks like a creature straight out of a fantasy novel. But this remarkable reptile is facing a real and dire threat: extinction. Today, we're diving into the story of the Mexican alligator lizard, a species on the brink, and why it's crucial that we act now to save it. The Mexican alligator lizard, scientifically known as Abronia graminea, is a species of lizard found only in the cloud forests of southern Mexico. It's an extraordinary creature, easily recognized by its bright green body, rough scales, and a long tail that resembles the texture of alligator skin, hence its name. These lizards are arboreal, meaning they spend most of their time in the trees, and they thrive in the dense, misty forests, where they can find shelter and food. Their ability to camouflage with their environment helps them avoid predators, but it also makes them hard to spot, even for those who know what to look for. However, despite their unique beauty and vital role in their ecosystem, the Mexican alligator lizard is in serious danger. Over the years, its population has plummeted due to habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and environmental changes. The cloud forests that these lizards call home are rapidly being destroyed by deforestation, as human activities such as logging and agriculture spread across the region. The forests provide crucial shelter and food sources for these lizards. But as these areas shrink, so do the lizards' chances of survival. One of the most significant threats, however, is the illegal pet trade. Mexican alligator lizards are highly prized in the exotic pet market for their unique appearance and rarity. This demand has led to poaching, further decimating the population in the wild. These lizards are often captured and sold, leaving behind a dwindling number of individuals who can reproduce and sustain the species. Despite the grim reality, efforts are being made to protect the Mexican alligator lizard. Conservation organizations are working alongside local communities to preserve the natural habitats of these lizards. Protected areas have been established to prevent deforestation, and there are ongoing efforts to educate the public about the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems. One of the key conservation methods is habitat restoration. By reforesting areas where the lizards used to thrive, scientists hope to provide a safe haven for the species to rebound. Additionally, breeding programs in captivity are helping to increase the population, with the goal of eventually releasing captive-bred lizards back into their natural environment. Furthermore, stricter laws have been put in place to combat poaching. Authorities are working with wildlife trafficking organizations to prevent the illegal capture and sale of the Mexican alligator lizard, and public awareness campaigns are encouraging people not to buy these lizards as pets, ensuring that demand does not contribute to the species' decline. The fight to save the Mexican alligator lizard is not just about protecting a single species. It's a reminder of how interconnected the natural world is. These lizards are a vital part of their ecosystem. As insectivores, they help control the populations of small insects, which can otherwise overrun the vegetation they depend on. They also serve as prey for larger animals, playing an important role in the food web. Furthermore, the destruction of their habitat has a ripple effect. The cloud forests are home to countless other species of plants, animals, and insects, many of which are also threatened. By saving the Mexican alligator lizard, we are also helping to protect a whole ecosystem that benefits countless other species, including humans. So, what can you do to help save the Mexican alligator lizard? First and foremost, raise awareness. Share the story of this remarkable creature with your friends and family. Educate people about the importance of protecting their natural habitat and the dangers of supporting the illegal pet trade. You can also support conservation organizations that are working to protect the species and its habitat. If you're in a position to do so, consider donating to wildlife conservation projects that focus on preserving cloud forests and supporting breeding programs for the lizards. Every small effort adds up. Finally, if you're ever traveling to Mexico or other parts of Central America, make sure to respect local wildlife and support ecotourism initiatives that help protect these natural wonders. The Mexican alligator lizard may be on the brink of extinction, but with the right efforts,